Mummy. Fancy. Look how the slime. It's so sticky.
Slime socks.
What's
There's
it?
one slime sock. The mummy's doing the other one.
I like my slime socks. Mama, you're not going to say back to me with no. Slime daddy. A bus. Hiya. Fire. I like you. I like you. I like you too. No. It's Put on my trousers.
Wow! Like we make a slime blanket.
No. Tug of war. Tug of war. Woohoo! Slime! A bullet! I like my same jacket. It's very comfy. Help! Help!
I'll pull. You take the slime, mummy. Pull. Yeah!
I need to come around. Say, Daddy. You don't need to say, Mommy. Right to my channel.
Thanks for watching the Max Show. If you'd like to see more of Max's videos, hit subscribe.